If you want to mirror screen to other device on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all we need to open settings. Over here in settings, go to connected devices, and then in here you should be able to choose connection preferences. Here we can find the cast option, and you might be able to find your display, TV or whatever over here in this menu, but in case you don't, you can go to Smart Connect instead. Now in order to set up Smart Connect, you just have to tap on Get Started, then over here you can tap on Skip in the bottom left corner. Then over here we need to agree to terms and conditions and privacy policy to tap on Continue. Over here we need to grant all of these permissions in here, so we can of course do so quickly. There we go. Now in here we can tap to add a device, or you can use this plus in the upper right corner. You don't have to sign into Moto account or anything like that. You can just skip that, and then here you can choose display. And then let's skip that as well. You can try to find your TV, monitor or display in here, and then you should be able to connect to it and start casting the screen. Leave a like and subscribe.